Google Ads. Whether you call it Google Adsense, Adwords, or simply ads, they are the digital billboards that dominate the search results on Google. Learning how to set them up is important, but mastering the art of managing and maintaining their performance is a whole different ballgame. Hello everyone, this is Karanjot and welcome to the world of Google Ads, where every click holds the potential to be a game changer. But how do you navigate this dynamic landscape and ensure your ads stand out among the digital noise? Let's start by understanding what is Google Ads campaign management. Setting up your Google Ads campaign is a crucial initial step, but it's only the beginning of the journey. The notion of passive income doesn't apply when it comes to running and managing Google Ads campaigns. Achieving success in ad campaigns requires consistent effort on the backend. Successful advertisers invest significant time in evaluating ad performance, exploring various keywords, refining designs and copy, and rigorously testing against key metrics. These activities are indispensable for constructing a campaign that has the potential to generate returns for months and even years, provided you hit the mark. While the effort is substantial, the long-term benefits make it worthwhile. However, achieving such results hinges on mastering the art of Google Ads campaign management. Only by getting the management aspect right can you anticipate the kind of sustained success that makes the effort truly pay off. Now, let's break down AdWords management by breaking it into a few key steps. Number 1. Define AdWords campaign structure. First, you need to lay a solid foundation for the rest of your account. Start by choosing your AdWords campaign type. What is your advertising goal? Beyond every click lies strategy. Before management, you've got to first define clear objectives. What do you want to achieve? Are you aiming to drive sales, increase website traffic, or enhance brand awareness? These goals will not only shape your campaign but also serve as benchmarks for success. Before you can determine what you need to change for the success of your campaign, you need to first look at your ad performance and see what's working and what isn't. There are 5 key metrics to pay attention to. Number 1, impressions. Number 2, click. Number 3, cost. Number 4, conversions. And number 5, click-through rates. Number 2 now comes as reevaluate the ad targeting. In digital marketing, precise targeting is crucial. Without a well-defined buyer persona, understanding your audience's buyer intent becomes challenging. What does your ideal customer want? What do they look? What do they like? How much money do they make? What are their interests? Think about all of these questions when determining your ad targeting. To make your ads effective, you must get inside their head and resonate with what matters to them. Number 3 is A/B testing of ad copy and design. Your ad copies play a crucial role in the success of your ad campaign. So when optimizing your AdWord campaign, evaluate the following key metrics. First, your offer. Second, your headline. Third, your description. Fourth, the URL. Fifth, Z and Y extensions. If any of these factors impact your ad's performance, experiment by comparing them with alternatives. The key takeaway is to modify only one element at a time. This approach is crucial to pinpointing the specific factors responsible for any performance issues. Number 4 is check the negative keywords. Now, negative keywords are those you exclude from displaying your ad. People often do this to let Google make key decisions. Consider using negative keywords for brand names, competitors, or terms unlikely to result in conversions for your ad. Number 5 comes optimize your landing pages. Keep in mind that effective Google Ads campaign management extends beyond SERP, that is search engine result pages, to your landing pages. If your ad receives plenty of clicks but lacks conversions, it might signal issues on your landing page. Quickly get these concerns addressed to prevent a drop in ad relevance by Google. Optimize your landing page by assessing the offer, headline, page structure, CTA, and button placement. A/B testing is the ideal method to pinpoint and rectify any issues. Unfortunately, most of these tasks need to be revisited at least weekly by PPC professionals if you want to make the most of your AdWords budget. Now, how Softrix helps with AdWords campaign management. Number one comes strategic planning. We develop a targeted AdWords strategy aligned with your business goals and budget. Number two is keywords excellence. Our experts identify high-performing keywords for maximum ad visibility. Number three comes creating compelling ad copies. At Softrix, we create and optimize engaging ad copies to boost click-through rates. Number 4 comes smart bid management. We monitor and adjust bids for optimal ad placement and cost efficiency. Number 5 is ad extensions mastery. We implement extensions for additional information and enhanced user experience. Number 6 is conversion tracking. Our professionals set up tracking, analyze data, and refine strategies for better conversions. Number 7 is A/B testing expertise. We conduct tests on ad elements for continuous improvement in performance. Number 8 is audience precision. At Softrix, we target specific audience using advanced strategies for better engagement. Last but not the least comes continuous optimization. We constantly monitor, adapt, and optimize campaigns for sustained success. Ensure your AdWords strategy stands out in the digital realm. Simply drive visibility, capture conversions, and stay ahead of the curve with AdWords campaign management by Softrix. Our commitment is to elevate your brand's online journey. Ready to amplify your online presence? Let's make it happen. Get in touch with a PPC expert today to take your digital success to the next level, because your success is our priority. If you found this helpful, do like our video, share it with your friends, and hit the bell icon for more such updates. Thanks for tuning in.